Oh, yeah. Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, 31st of May, last day of the month, and I have a visitor. Oh, uy, it's I tell to Kuku that get it, huh? Tomorrow, what time? No, why tomorrow? Why tonight?
I asked him to sleep with me.
Huh?
I asked him to sleep with me. On Saturday, he said no.
Is that true, huh? It's not joke, yeah? Okay. Because I can't sleep here with that, see? With that, kitten or pussycat or anything. Because I wanted to sleep, as calm as I am. As I want, yeah? And, what time today? What time na, Colleen? 9:36. Oh, well, that's good. It's already 9:36. Look, I'm not yet done, but on that part, I'm gonna get box to put everything here so that I can move very well. No, my daughter's anik-anik is everywhere. So that's why I need to, yeah. Okay, at the moment, yeah, at the moment I'm going, let's have breakfast, let's have coffee downstairs. Colleen, my view on the side at the back of this place is like this. There's a rail train on the other. Look, boom, yeah. It's another public transportation here in UK. And that's it at the moment. Bye. Ayan, good morning everyone. Look at my food for breakfast. But it's already 10. So, because I'm going to the post office to pay for for my oyster. That is 60 plus. So now at the moment I'm going. Just I take late breakfast and my niece prepare for that. And thank you so much. Appreciate it very well. So I'm alone. Everybody is go at their proper places and work. That's it at the moment. Happy tummy for me and for everybody. Kakasakay ko lang ng bus. Punta ako na post office. Everyone.
Sheldon Road.
Ito yung transportation dito, public sa UK and also the train. Until now, ano pa rin siya. Mataba na yan. Diba? 2 years ako nag-stay sa Pilipinas pero andyan pa rin siya. Dito na ako, everyone sa post office. Magbabayad ako ng oyster ko para for my 60 plus oyster. Ayan. Tsaka pakita ko yung yung verification is my passport. Kasi ayaw pumasok yung date of year ko doon sa date of birth. So I skip it and that's it. So I need to show to them that I am the one who is that. Everyone, I'm on the queue. I'm inside the post office. I'm on the queue. Let's wait and see. Kaming bus, may single, may doubles. Tapos, pupunta ako doon sa Tapa, dyan sa Ashley. Kasi yan may Filipino food dyan. Yan, dyan. So, ako'y natapos na din sa pagbayad ng pagbayad ng dahil prutas. Diba? Yan ang mga shop dito, ganyan. Baka naman meron dito patis. Ganyan ang patik ang anuhan dito. Ay, stop. So, bago ka tumawid, kailangan mo i-push mo na to start. Wait. You need to wait and then wait for the turn. Wait for your turn to the light becomes green so that you can go there in Ashley fruit and vegetables. Have you seen the cake box? That is my favorite shopping cake here in UK. You can customize your cake. You can order customize the cake. You can use your photos or anything. And then bukas na lang akong dadaan sa Matalan, I think. Ay, hindi. No, not Matalan. So, kasi si Pussy, si Bliss, bukas pa daw pipick upin. So, ayun. Mag-need akong mag-wait para maayos ko yung hihigaan ko sa taas. Dahil nagpalit ako ng mattress. Dahil I'm not sure kung yung mattress na iniwan ng anak ko ay malinis pa because of that two pussies. So I don't want to rescue. Well, I clean it already. The room, but not all because of there's a lot of things, stuff. There's a lot of stuff to put in a box. That's why I need to order the box to put everything in there and to send it to my daughter. Yun lang. And nagno-nosebleed na naman ako dito. So, tama na. That's enough. I need to buy patis. Patis in the Philippines. Pero, ayun. Dito meron. Kaya, ayun lang. Okay, and then mag-start ulit ako ng cleaning sa kwarto. Throw everything. Some parts. Sarap nito. Boom, boom. Junorn. Nakita nyo? Kita nyo ba yan? Puro mga Filipino food. Yan, gusto mong magsawa-sawa dyan sa mga, yan. Tapos dito sa mga freezer, ganun din. Mga frozen foods and everything. Yan, ganyan. Mga prutas and everything. Yan. That's it for the moment. Bye-bye. See you later. I need that one.
This one.
The patis. 11:57 update sa oras. Pauwi na ako. Everyone and stay at home again. to fix everything and to clean everything. And then on Monday, I'm going to report for the job. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna go on Monday. I'm gonna go on Monday at Imperial College and
Oh, my dad, he's okay.
266
in Manila.
to Acton High Street.
With this.
Everything is okay with my diet.
Look here, the buses are, there's a priority seats like that.
Yeah, well,
They had stickers and everywhere. Yeah. But it's just supposed to be in Pilipinas. In Philippines, they put like this priority seats in the new bus that
Anson Road.
we use it last Saturday. Nasakyan ko yon at napurok ko na they need this. They need like this dahil marami sa mga lalaki doon ang walang pakialam kung ang nakasakay doon ay mga babae, mga nakatayo. So that's not really great. And kaya bumili ako ng konting necessities ko dahil dito malamig yung aking ilong ay nagmo-moist, parang may sipon pero wala naman yun, at saka para walang laba-laba ng hand towel dito, more using the toilet ay tissues yan, ganyan. Tissues, more on tissues para everything is throw away. You never, or sometimes wipes. I buy already the wipes for my face instead of face towel. I'm using so I buy my face wipes. And then I'm going home and yun, malamig dito. Ayan mahangin, windy. Yan. Mamaya ulit akong gabi mag-take a bath para tomorrow sa appointment ko naman. Tomorrow is Saturday, so meron ng appointment. Kaya ayun lang. Yan ang sinasabi ko dito, na pavement dito sa London is hindi pantay-pantay. Kaya kailangan maglakad ka nakatingin sa dadaanan mo. Kasi madalas ako dito matapilok. Kaya yung tapi-tapilok na yan, kailangan mag-ingat. May kirot dito sa paa ko dito sa kabilang side. Sa right. Yung accident ko sa Pilipinas. So, bubuelo lang ako konti sa GP and then appointment ako sa ortho para ma-x-ray, but I need maybe to take for pain. Yung ganun kasi malamig dito sa London malamig yan biruin mo itong nilalakad na ito after ng bus bago makarating ng bahay. Pero wala eh. Yun lang eh. Yun dito eh. And then, pakita ko sa inyo din ito. Yung dahon ng laurel. Ginagawa lang ditong French. Diba? Yung ganyan. So, ganyan dito ang mga bahay. Ito modern na yan. Kasi may gate na siya. Yung ibang yan, pagka ganyan, private house yan. Pero yung mga may kasamang pinapaupahan, walang walang bench. Yan. Eto, malapit na ulit ako sa bahay. Sa accommodation. Yan o, yan. Ayan, laurel yan eh. Yan, dahon ng laurel. Yan, nakabakod dyan, no? Nakalawit na. Diba? Yun lang, everyone. I'm going. Tapos dito yung mga lagay ng mga basura. Yan, ganyan. Diba? And that's it for today. Ayan o. Mapag-dry na sila. Ayan o, dry. Diba? Pwede ng panluto. Yung amo ko nga kahit sariwang ganyan pinapanluto. Yan everyone, yung aming chef cook ko. Shout out! Tingnan mo kung mag-decorate yan ha. Oh, wow! Para kang kakain sa restaurant eh, diba? Yung galing naman. Yun. Tingnan mo yung kanyang mga eh. Anong menu to, Tutoy? Noodles? Pad Thai. You know? Kaya nga, hindi ko na kailangan kumain pa sa restaurant, di ba? Tingnan mo yan, May pad Thai pa pala dito yung...
Kaya po kayo. Kaya pa-vlog pa.
Yung, may pad Thai pa pala dyan eh. Eto ang mga bata na hilo-hilo, nangagiga-higa. Shout out kay Colleen, Branco, Gianna. Yes, because the moment is semestral break, no? Sem break sila, that's why they don't have a class, just like this, and this. Okay, bye everyone.